Hello students, welcome to Legacy IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about another interesting topic, that is regarding the strategic petroleum reserve. What is the strategic petroleum reserve? Why this particular issue is being in news for past few days, and what is the importance of strategic petroleum reserves? So let us start with today's topic. So first of all, if you try to understand that why this particular topic has been in news from past few days is because the Biden administration, that is the Joe Biden, who is the President of the United States of America, he is actually considering tapping the US strategic petroleum reserve to cool oil prices in conjunction with other big consumers like China and India. So what actually Biden has said, that he has also urged other countries or big consumers like China, India, South Korea and Japan along with US to release oil from their strategic petroleum reserve, so that the price that is continuously rising, right now it is about $85 per barrel, should cool down as the OPEC countries have started to cut off the supply or have not actually heeded the demand of President Biden to increase the oil supply in the global market. So that is the main reason. Anyway, if you look at the other rationale behind the urge of Joseph Biden or the urge of US President, so first, as we discussed, the first rationale is to cool oil prices in conjunction with other big consumers like China, India, Japan and South Korea. Second, also because as we know that in year 2022, the first midterm elections after he came into power is going to take place, and that is why he do not want his popularity, this data or popularity, we can say percentage, to go down among the American voters. So that is why he also wanted to fend off the criticism among the American citizens due to the rising oil prices. Third reason is also because he's seen, or he wants to seen as a strong leader who has taken some actions against OPEC plus production group. OPEC plus is oil and petroleum exporting countries that is headed by Saudi Arabia, and OPEC plus is also include membership of Russia. So these countries have not, as we discussed, heeded the US demand of increasing the oil supply to bring the prices down. So that is why he is seen to be, or he seems to be seen as something that he's doing for this particular step or for this particular regions. Then next is, if you look at the background to understand about the strategic petroleum reserve. So first of all, the reason why US has developed a strategic petroleum reserve goes back to Arab oil embargo. That was incident that occurred in year 1975. Again, if we go briefly about Arab oil embargoes, so what happened in year 1973, there was a war that occurred between Israel and the Philistine and other we can say Muslim nations, and because all other countries like US, UK, Canada and even South Africa, since these countries were there that supported Israel against Philistines, so in revenge of that, the OPEC countries, that is headed by Saudi Arabia and have membership from Iran, Qatar and all these Gulf countries, they put an oil embargo. Oil embargo means they actually stopped exporting oil to the Western nations as well as the European nations. So that is why in response to this Arab oil embargo, what happened, within 2 to 3 years, the gas prices in the American market shot up by almost 300%, and due to this, there was shortage of gas everywhere across the petrol pump or gasoline stations of United States of America, and there was large-scale discontentment among the population of USA. And in response to this, the Nixon administration, the Nixon who was the president of US at that time, he actually created a strategic petroleum reserve in year 1975, so that in case if oil prices or in the oil supply in the global market fluctuates, US can have, or in worst case, if the Gulf monarchies stop exporting oil to USA, in that case US can start producing or start using the oil reserved in a strategic petroleum reserve to cool off the prices in the global market, US market, as well as to not disrupt the supply of oil across the world. Now, due to this, if you look at this strategic petroleum reserve, right now, if you talk about US, then these petroleum reserves are in the caverns, and about 606 million barrels of petroleum reserve or gas reserves are located in the caverns of states like Louisiana as well as Texas, which are the states bordering the Gulf of Mexico, that is on the eastern coast of United States of America, and also Texas, Louisiana, these are the oil producing states of the United States of America. So that is the overall capacity of USA. Now, if you try to understand, or the question comes into mind that is US the only nation who has SPR, or do we have other countries also who has built up the strategic petroleum reserve? So if you look at this question, the normal things are, or we can say there is agency called as International Energy Agency, and there are 29 members of International Energy Agencies, and as per the IEA mandate, all the 29 member countries of IEA, including countries like UK, Germany, Japan and Australia, are required to hold oil in emergency reserves equivalent to 90 days of net oil imports. And as we look from here, the whole European Union as well as Australia, US, Canada, these are the major countries. We are the members of International Energy Agency. If you look at, apart from that, India and China are one of the biggest consumers of the oil in the world. But these are not the actual full-fledged members of the IEA. They are considered as the associate member of the International Energy Agencies. So that is why they are not mandated by the IEA to reserve or to build up a strategic petroleum reserve for 90 days supply. Despite that, we have China, India, both have created SPR. We'll see about that later. Apart from that, do we have exceptions? So definitely there are some countries in the who are the members of IEA, like Canada, Denmark, Norway and United Kingdom. So these countries, since they are the next exporter countries, they are not, we can say, they are not mandated by IEA to build up the strategic petroleum reserve. However, United Kingdom and Denmark, these two countries have also built up the oil reserve because they are the member of European Union, and European Union asked its member to build up a SPR. So that is why they have the SPR. Apart from that, if you look at some other countries who are having the highest quantity or highest volume of strategic petroleum reserve oil, so we have US that is highest. Apart from that, Japan, Germany, Canada, South Korea, France, these are some of the major countries having the high quantity of crude oil reserve in their SPR. Apart from that, China is the second largest, we can say, country having second largest amount of or second largest volume of SPR crude oil reserves. Now, since we are talking about International Energy Agency, so let us try to understand about this. So IEA was actually established in response to the incident that we have discussed, that there was an Arab oil embargo or this oil embargo in 1973, and that is why in response to this IEA was created, and it basically functions around four major domains, that is ensuring the energy security across all the globe by taking help of the member countries. Second, it also focuses on economic development, that is especially energy driven economic development, and wherever energy consumption is required, it take care of that. Apart from that, it also focuses on environmental awareness, so that the we can say extra consumption or over consumption of oil does not have any adverse effect on the environment. And apart from that, it also focuses on the global engagement across all the major stakeholder countries who are either exporter or importer, to ensure that energy supply chain or energy distribution or energy demand of the world is met as required. Now, as per India, or as far as India is concerned and the strategic petroleum reserve of India is concerned, we have four places, as you can see on the map here. We have Mangalore, Visakhapatnam and Padur. These are three places where the SPR is already functioning, where reserves are already built, and we have two more proposed areas. One is in Chandi Khol in Odisha, and one is the expansion of Padur facilities to increase the oil storage capacity of the SPR of India. So let us try to understand this in more detail. So we can understand the build-up of SPR India in two phases. In phase first, we can see there is a Padur, that is a strategic petroleum reserve in Karnataka near Udupi. In the Western Ghats, we have Visakhapatnam in the Andhra Pradesh, and we have Mangaluru in the Karnataka. So these are the functioning storage capacities with the overall capacity of 40 million barrels. Now, the reason why India took interest or started showing interest in development of SPR is because of in 1991 also we had a Gulf War that was going on between US and other Gulf monarchies, and that also led to disruption of the oil supply to India also. Also in 1991, India has to go through a financial crisis, and India has very small amount of, or we can say only 2 weeks of forex reserve for sustaining its import. Keeping these things in mind, in 1998, when Vajpayee government came in power, the visionary Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, he actually envisioned creation of such a strategic petroleum reserve, so that in case of emergency, these crude oil reserves can be used to sustain the demand of energy within Indian territory. And that is why these three storage will build up. Then after that, when these storage capacity were built, later on government has actually established a company that is called as ISRPL, that is Indian Strategic Reserve Petroleum Limited. It is a kind of a special purpose vehicle that has been established under Oil Industries Development Board, which functions under Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. So what we can say is Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas is a nodal ministry under which the Strategic Petroleum Reserve functions or lies. Following that, in phase 2, the Narendra Modi government has also announced that we have to establish a new strategic petroleum reserve in Chandikhol region of Odisha and also the Padur region of Karnataka, where already we have functioning strategic petroleum reserve. This capacity has to be increased so that overall these two will lead to storage of almost 47.6 million barrel of oil. So overall, after the complete construction of these 4 facilities, India will have capacity to accommodate almost 90 million barrel of oil in a strategic petroleum reserve, which it can use for the emergency purposes. Apart from that, there is also a proposal where in Bikaner region of Rajasthan also one SPR has to be excavated, but still we can say it still exists on paper. On the real term, the groundwork has not yet started. So that's all about the SPR and slight background and about SPR and with regard to India and USA. So I hope you like the video. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe. We'll come with another interesting video very soon. Thank you very much.